Okay, ready?
Okay, come into the middle then. Now, that's it, on your knees now. Go!
Nice. Come on, come on, big knee. Good. Put that guard. Alex, get the elbows into sides. Get the elbows into sides. Elbows into sides. Elbows into sides. Good lad. Well done. Get that knee under you. Try and get one of those knees under your belly. Preferably with your right hand. Elbows inside. Elbows inside. Keep your elbows inside. Good lad. There you go. Good. Good. Right down.
Solid bar.
Come on, right. Try and pull your right knee up into it. Pull your right knee up. Get your elbow in, open up, pull your right knee in. Come on. Elbow in, come on. Good. Get your knee up. No. Okay.
How long's around? 3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah.
That's the next 2.
3 and 2 are going to be fighting next. Who's that? 3 and 2? One of you must be 3 and 2.
Number 2. You're 2. Who's number 3? You number 3? Yeah?
He's very nervous, isn't he?
Guys, 1 minute 30 gone. Yeah. We're halfway through, guys.
1 minute 30 gone, right. Hands up. Stop warming up. Get the blood going. You're going to need it.
I'm trying to get out there and get across with that. Someone needs to make some points. We're halfway through. Someone needs to make the transition now. Someone needs to make the transition and get somewhere. We're at the minute we're stalemate.
Is that being skills yet?
That's it.
You've got skills yet? Have you been skilled? Good, Alex. Well done, man. That's really good, man. That's good. Try and get your knee up on his belly there. Try and get your knee up.
Boys go.
Yeah.
You'll get up Monday, James.
Oh, careful.
He's tapping.
You alright? Yeah.
How long left, Don?
You've got another 30 seconds.
Go back to this corner. Go on, ready, go.
20 seconds.
High bar. Yeah.
Full white. Come back.
Open your knees, guys.
10 seconds. Okay, time.
Okay. Well done, guys. Now, that's a draw. Basically, you've got a 3-point submission, and you pass your guard 3 times. Alright, so.